It's your boy, Ma'J, and today I'm back and I'm better than ever with a new YouTube video for y'all. Today I'll be taking out my braids. This is a braid out video. You already know it's about to go down. It's been a month. It's been a month and a day actually, because I got it done on December the 11th. Yesterday was January the 11th, so it was in a month and a day. So I need to take these out because, I mean, even though it still look good. I mean, I can probably rock it in for another month, but I don't want to. I actually want to see the length and everything, and I want to get it redone anyway. So yeah, yo. But before I even get started with that, I'm about to do a music promo. My bro, C.BENNET dropped his single Dead Wrong, which is out on all platforms. Make sure y'all go listen to that. I'll put the link in the description below, and y'all make sure y'all go listen to that again and again and again. You already know what time it is. Don't let me down. Show my bro some support, you know? Let's go. Let's go. Now look here, before we even get started, make sure y'all please like, subscribe, comment, you know, turn that notification bell. Yeah, I want y'all to be notified on my videos because I drop pretty often. Just please do it, please, thank you, and watch my ads, please, thank you, and whoa, I'm so damn corny. Now look here, I'm gonna do half of my hair off camera, then I'm gonna come back to y'all because I know y'all don't want to see her all day. No, I know y'all don't want to see her all day. Just y'all don't want to see that, and it's gonna be long for me, and it's gonna be short for y'all. Y'all, these are the products that I'll be using, and yeah, I'll probably do a product review one day, one video, but yeah, these are the products I will be using, and they are great for detangling your hair and keeping it moisturized. And that's just that on there. Let's go. All right, y'all, I'm back. Got this little piece right here. We're gonna go ahead and take it out. Now, I'm not even gonna hold y'all. I had something to eat, took a little few breaks, because I was not gonna let my hand get numb, even though it did already get numb, but it's all right. It's all right. Okay, hold on. Now, this right here, this thing, it works wonders, baby, because it made my hair smoother to take out. It's more easy and stuff, and I'm just like, this is exactly what I need. And y'all know my hair thick. I ain't had to say that. I mean, y'all can tell that my hair is thick. So it is sometimes it's a time taking these things braids out, getting it done and all that. So it and then the conditioner that I use, and then it helps when from heat, like heat protection in it. Like, it's not like heat protection, I mean it can protect your hair from the heat. But I always say this, look, if it works for you, keep it. Don't change up, because if you change up and you're not gonna like, even though I'm not saying you can't change, I mean you can change up your products and what you want to use, but if it's working for you, keep it. If it's not working for you, get rid of it. But if it's working for you, keep it. So, because I tell y'all, I like stuff that's like thick, and like the products that I use, because I feel like those products that are not thick and they're like thin, I won't be thinking it's in my hair. But I guess I try to, you know how you can feel products in your hair? That's how I like to just see it. That's how I know it's true, because it's in there. Oh yeah, take your time. Even though it looks like I'm rushing, just take your time. Okay? Take your time. And yeah, when you take it out of your braid, just take your time. You're gonna get it out. You may have a little clumps or stuff that's just build up, I guess. Yeah, build up. Cause when I show y'all my hair ball, y'all gonna be like, wow, that's a lot of hair. But this is how I feel. My hair's growing, right? So it's getting easier to maintain. And then y'all probably looking at me like, huh? What? Yes. Because I feel like when your hair gets longer, it's easier to maintain, because you'll be able to put it in like section it off, put it in like a little ponytail or whatever, and you know, you can do it a little better, and it's more easier to see, you know, because I can work with long hair. See, with short hair I have the time, but with long hair I can work with it. But how they hold it, how they do it, this is how they do it. Bam, look at that. That was all the shedding, and I think more is gonna come out. And y'all, if you're doing natural hair, do not worry about the shedding. You're going to shed hair. It's okay. I gotta keep in mind, I had braids in for a month in a day, so it's gonna be a lot of shedding. So got that. Oh, now this stuff right here, I got a bigger one, but I got this one too. Let me use this first. I'll put this on because I'm gonna wash my hair anyway, but just to smooth and to tangle it, I put this in. Like I said before, do not worry about the white stuff. You know, do not have to worry about the white stuff. It's going to come out, the white residue. And if I was you, I advise you to put a shirt that you don't like to wear, or a shirt that you wear around the house on when you take out your hair. Cause you see this on my shirt? You see all that? Like hair and residue. I'll sweep that up later. But okay, but yeah. Thank y'all for watching this video. Make sure y'all already made her outro. Roll the clip. Real pink too.